See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Wow, today, Supreme Court has ordered accelerated hearing on PDP matter. So now, April 22nd instead of today. So it's okay. We can wait. We are waiting for them on ADC to see whether, they too will get accelerated hearing, And the Ekiti State Judgment Day today, they postponed it to tomorrow. Hey, but still, Oyebanji is not APC doesn't have candidate in Ekiti as it is today. APC does not have candidates in our state in Ekiti. Thank God for that, because they didn't do normal primaries. They disqualified their people and they do wuru to the answer. And for you that you are contesting now for House of Rep, House of Assembly, the presidential governorship, you need to keep eye on this Ekiti judgment, because it's going to be the landmark judgment. It's going to be a judgment to remember. This is going to be, because it's constitutional issue, constitutional matter. How can you disqualify someone that paid millions for form to be governor? And screening, you now said, I'm disqualifying you when you are not mentally in a harrow, or you are not, your brain is not doing backfire, and you are not sick. It's not like you are sick, you can't walk well, or when you walk, you fall. You are not like that. So why would they disqualify the candidates and now go and pick consensus, which is what they are planning to do all over Nigeria? So for you in APC to stay tuned to this judgment, because judiciary now, these are our 3 cases in judiciary, will determine whether we are going to have one party state or Nigeria will still keep the democracy that we fought for. The democracy you and I fought for. Is this judgment, the Ekiti 1, PDP, ADC, that will let us know where the position of judiciary. We already know position of INEC by his tweets. Bible says, by their fruits we shall know them. We know INEC is APC. Now, judiciary, this is the test. So we are patiently waiting. Tomorrow, no far. Ekiti, Imosa, Imonye. The Egyptians we see today, we shall see them no more. As it stands today, thank God, APC, they don't have candidates in Ekiti. Thank you, Lord.